I have this fresh energy throughout the day for me to just go for whatever task that comes to me, or any creative idea that I have. I always have this bottle full of energy which earlier I didn't have. So yeah, I mean, this is working really good. Namaskaram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing my 3 months of experience of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. Now, as I said, like the most evident change that I've seen within myself is this energy, this fresh energy that I have right after my practice in the morning, where like I can just go with the day without feeling lazy in the afternoon. Like for example, I'm making this video in the afternoon and I am full of energy. So you see, and yeah, and also there's this stored up energy for more. So like if I have any creative idea or anything, now it's just like, okay Shivani, let's go and do this. Second reason, are we doing reasons? Second point is sorry is like, no doubt about it, that my meditation has been intensified, and like I can feel it. What was happening in month 1 and month 2, it has increased or intensified in month 3, and I feel like every day it only gets better. So yeah, that is evident of 3 months of Shambhavi. Third point, so you know how your breathing, like if you look close enough, your breathing is changing throughout the day. Like something exciting comes up, it goes fast. Something not so exciting or something like depressing comes up, it it slows down a little bit. So like it's always the external situation that is regulating your breath. For example, anger, breathing is fast, 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 and you're like angry. But after Shambhavi, I have realized that my breathing has somehow equalized. Like it is just the same throughout the day, breathe in, breathe out, just the same pattern. If somebody is doing something that earlier made me angry, my breathing is same, so I am actually not getting angry anymore. Or even in terms of excitement, yes, things make me happy or excited a little bit, but that is not changing my breathing anymore, which is very positive, and more sense of self control over yourself. Lots of self. And yeah, I am loving this more control on breathing with Shambhavi. Point number 4 is that there is a lot of motivation to do things. I think it has to do with the energy, the fresh energy, the stored up energy, that since your energy bottle is full, there is motivation to go ahead and try new things, create new content or play the guitar or anything. So definitely there is motivation that I think, like with everyday practice, makes it even more refined, or you how you oil your vehicle so it goes well, I think. Something like that, you grease your things for it to work perfectly. So it's like Shambhavi is everyday greasing. And yeah, last point is again linked to breathing, you can say, because anger issues gone. Like earlier I would still get angry about things, something would trigger me or something like that happened, but now the same issues or same things are coming up and I'm not getting angry. I'm very much calm. Like if I don't agree with it, I just don't pay much attention to those topics or those episodes, but there's no anger that's coming up. So these are my 5 evident points that I have noticed about myself in the past 3 months of Shambhavi. And I am so excited to see more things. If not more, then just more. It's okay if there's not any more. Sorry, Sadhguru, I'm not going to be greedy. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaskaram. Eyes. Sun.